how are you? Welcome to Susan's Chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about aldehyde ketones, organic chemistry, chapter 12, class 12. Okay, aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones, right? Aldehydes and ketones. First, I discuss about aldehyde. What is aldehyde? Organic compounds containing CHO group. CHO group as functional group. CHO group as functional group is called aldehyde, right? Organic compounds containing CHO group as functional group is called aldehyde, right? General formula of aldehyde, not my students' girlfriend, right? That is RCHO. Okay, remember in aldehyde the CO group, CHO is called the functional group, right? CO is called the carbonyl group, and C is called carbonyl carbon, and carbonyl carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. How? This carbon atom attached to 3 sigma and 1 pi bonds, so that the hybridization of this carbon is sp2 hybridization, right? So that the general formula of aldehyde, that is not girlfriend, right? RCHO. What is R? R equal to hydrogen, methyl, ethyl, propyl, phenyl, etc. R may be hydrogen, any alkyl group or phenyl group, etc. Functional group of aldehyde, C double bond OH or it means CHO. Okay, suffix of aldehyde al. This is a secondary suffix, right? IUPAC name of aldehyde is alkanal. General formula, functional group, suffix and IUPAC name. Clear? Then I am going to discuss some IUPAC naming of aldehydes. First I take HCHO. Remember, in case of aldehyde, you start numbering from the functional carbon, that is called the carbonyl carbon. Here, this is functional group CHO. This is called the carbonyl carbon 1. You start numbering from this carbon atom, right? IUPAC name becomes what? For one carbon atom, what would meet? Single bond both sides, N, suffix N. The E is removed due to presence of A in the secondary suffix, right? Methanal, common name, that is formaldehyde, right? Number 2, CH3COH. Here 1, 2 carbon atom. IUPAC becomes, that is ethanal. Common name, that is acetaldehyde, famous name, acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, eth, word root, single bond, ANE is removed for A, ethanal. Number 3, CH3CH2COH. Here 1, 2, 3. IUPAC name what? Propanol. propanol. Three carbon atoms, pro quadruped, single bond ame, suffix l. Common name becomes propional diet. Propional diet, right? Number 4, CH3, CH2, CH2, COH. 1, 2, 3, 4. IUPAC name what? 4 carbon atoms. What would butanal. Common name N butyral diet. N-butyral diet. N-butyral diet. 5, CH3, CH2, 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 COH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. IUPAC name becomes pentanal. Pentanal. Pent for 5 carbon atoms. Pent. N single bond. L suffix. Common name what is N valeraldehyde. N valeraldehyde. Remember that name, common name. Similarly, CH3, CH3, COH. 1, 2, 3. That is principal chain. 1, 2, 3. This is substituent. That is 2-methyl. 2-methyl propanal. 2-methyl propanal. Prop means 3 carbon atoms, single bond N, suffix R. Common name that is isobutyral diet. Isobutyral diet. What is isobutyral diet? Similarly, we take CH3, CH, Br, CH, 2, CH. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ivan becomes what? 3 bromo butanal. 3 bromo butanal. Right? Suppose we take CH2 double bond CH. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. IUPAC name becomes what? Prop 2En 1al. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. 2 for double bond position. En suffix of double bond. Al suffix of aldehyde. Common name, remember please, acraldehyde. Acraldehyde or called acrolein. Okay, acrolein. Similarly, take CH3, CH double bond CH, CH. 1, 2, 3, 4. IUPAC name becomes what? But 2En 1al. Common name that is crotonaldehyde. Right? Similarly, you take a benzene ring attached to carbon CH double bond CH, 1, 2, 3. Here the phenyl group acts as prefix substituent. IUPAC name 3-phenyl prop 2En 1al. 3-phenyl prop 2En 1al. Common name cinnamaldehyde. Okay, cinnamaldehyde. DH. Suppose this is a benzene ring. CH2, CH2, CH2 simply 1, 2, 3. It means hypermine becomes what? 3-phenyl. 3-phenyl propanol. 3-phenyl propanol. Suppose take CH1. When CH group attached to a ring, that is benzene ring, we apply this special suffix for them, that is known as carbaldehyde. So that known as benzene carbaldehyde, or it means benzaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde. Remember, when CH group is directly attached to a ring, we use a special suffix for them, that is known as carbaldehyde. Suppose CHO beer 1, 2, 3, that is 3 bromo benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde, 3 bromo benzaldehyde, or it means 3 bromo benzene carbaldehyde, right? 3 bromo benzene carbaldehyde. Suppose a CH group attached to this type CH group. In this case, we use suffix carbaldehyde, that is known as cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Numbering start from this carbon atom. Suppose CHO beer Cl. Numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here numbering as 3 bromo, 5 chloro, 3 bromo, 5 chloro, cyclohexane carbaldehyde, right? 3 bromo, 5 chloro carbaldehyde. That means the 3 positions are the equivalent position. You start numbering 1, 2, 3, not 1, 2, 3. The correct numbering. 3 bromo prefix, what root suffix? 3 bromo, 5 chloro, cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Suppose take CHO 1, 2, that is known as benzene, nucleus benzene 1, 2 dicarbaldehyde, benzene 1, 2 dicarbaldehyde. Suppose you take CHO, that is 1, that is 2, so that ethane 1, 2 dial, ethane 1, 2 dial, 1, 2 dial CHO group. For 1 CHO suffix is al 2 dial, ethane 1 2 dial. Suppose we take CH2, CHO, CH2, CH2, CHO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Remember, if organic compound contains 2 CHO group, you count these 2 groups along the principal chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, iodine becomes pentane, 1, 5 dial. Pentane 1, 5 dial. Okay. When organic compounds contain 2 CHO group at any position, you count along the principal chain. Suppose you take CH3, CH, CHO, CH2, CH2, CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2-methyl prefix, 2-methyl pent, 2-methyl pentane 1, 5 dial, 2-methyl pentane 1, 5 dial. Right. Similarly, if organic compound contains 3 CHO group, 3 CHO group, in that case, you can count all the CHO group along the principal chain. For that, a special suffix for use for that naming, that is known as carbaldehyde. Numbering can start 1 to 3. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Remember, when organic compounds contain more than 2 CHO group, we can count along the principal chain. For that, we use a special suffix for them, that is known as carbaldehyde. Right? 1, 2, 3. That is propane. Propane 1, 2, 3. Tri carbaldehyde. Propane 1, 2, 3. Tri carbaldehyde. Right? Suppose CH2, CHO, CH, CH2, CHO, CH2, CHO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, this CHO group not directly attached to the principal chain. Here, this CHO group not directly attached to the principal chain. So that all along this act as a prefix. We know that when CHO group are the prefix, we use formyl. CH2 means formyl methyl. So that 3 formyl methyl, 3 formyl methyl pentane 1, 5 dial. 3 formyl methyl pentane 1, 5 dial. Suppose take bond line formula. CH. Okay, numbering always from this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is prefix OCH3 methoxy group. First 5 methoxy, het, डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, प्रायोरिटी का ज्यादा है डबल बॉन्ड, between double bond triple bond, the priority of double bond is more than triple bond. Het 5En 3 yn 1r. 5 methoxy prefix quad root 5en 3 yn 1r. Okay. Now start ketones. What is ketone? What is ketone? Organic compounds containing CO group as functional group is called ketone. CO group, that is known as carbonyl group. So general formula of ketone RCOR dash. The CO known as carbonyl group, C is called carbonyl carbon. Okay, this is the functional group of CO. Functional group CO. Right here, R equal to R dash, that means two alkyl means same kinds, or R not equal to R dash. Right? R dash alkyl. In that case, R equal to R dash means two alkyl may be same type or different type. R dash equal to any alkyl CH3, C2H5, C3H7 or phenyl group etc. Suffix ON, not one, ON. IUPAC name is also a secondary suffix. IUPAC name alkanone. IUPAC name what? Alkanone. First take CH3COCH3. Here the two alkyl groups same type in ketones which contains two same alkyl groups both sides of functional group, that is called symmetrical ketones. Here two alkyl groups same type, that is IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, that is prop single bond N propan 2 oil. Prop 3 carbon atoms prop word root single bond N is removed as O is present in second suffix. 2 indicates the position of CO group. Propan 2 oil. Common name, the famous name acetone or it means dimethyl ketone. I am repeating, when a ketone contains two same alkyl group around the functional group, that is called the symmetrical ketones. This is symmetrical ketone. CH3 CO CH2 CH3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is correct numbering because here the CO group taken 2 positions. In that case, here the CO group taken 3 positions. We take the minimum position of the functional group, right? Longest chain and take the position of functional group minimum position. That is IUPAC name what? Butan 2 oil. Common name, that is methyl ketone. Similarly, CH3 CH2 CO CH2 CH3. Here R equal to R dash. Previous case R not equal to R dash. This is also a symmetrical ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. IUPAC name becomes butan. 4 carbon but single bond ANE. Butan 3ON. common name becomes diethyl ketone. Ethyl, diethyl ketone, right? Suppose CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Impact name becomes what? Pentane. Pentane 2-OL. Common name propyl methyl, that is methyl, alphabetically methyl N-propyl ketone. Methyl N-propyl ketone. Methyl N-propyl ketone. Suppose we take CO, CH3. That is 1, 2. They act as a substituent prefix. Impact name becomes what? 1-phenyl ethanol. 1-phenyl ethanol. Common name, that is methyl phenyl. Methyl first, alphabetically methyl phenyl ketone. Methyl phenyl ketone. Similarly, to take suppose CO, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is, impact name becomes what? 1-phenyl propane. 1-phenyl propanol. 1-phenyl propanol. Propan 1-OL. 1-phenyl ethanol. 1-phenyl propanol. Common name, that is phenyl ketone. Ethyl phenyl ketone, right? Suppose we take mix CH3CO, CH2, CH2. Common contains two groups, CO and CHO. We know that the priority of CHO is more than CO. When CO add a prefix, we use ketone of 1, 2, 3, 4. Here CHO is principal function group, CO is prefix, right? When CO is the prefix, we use ketone of 2. It means 3 oxo butanol. 3 oxo butanol. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, COH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3 oxo pentanol. 3 oxo pentanol. Right? Suppose you take CH3, CO, CH3. Common contains 2 CO group. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that is butane. 4 atoms word root, single bond ANE, 2, 3 di-OL. For D is not removed, is constant, right? Butane 2, 3 di-OL. Suppose CH3, CO, CH2, CO, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Pentane. Pent word root 5, pent, single bond, ANE suffix, pentane 2, 4 di-OL. Pentane 2, 4 di-OL. Suppose we take CO. That is known as cyclo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cyclic compound. Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Okay. What is name? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane 1, 3, 5 tri-ONE. Cyclohexane 1, 3, 5 tri-ONE. Cyclohexane 1, 3, 5 tri-ONE. Right? Suppose you take elements. That is cyclohexylidine. This group. Cyclohexylidine methanone. Cyclohexylidine methanone. Cyclohexylidine methanone. Suppose we take CH. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is 3 substitute methyl group, 7 substitute methyl group, 3, 7 dimethyl, 3, 7 dimethyl, oct, 6 En 1R. 3, 7 dimethyl, oct, 6 En 1R. Suppose take beer group. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Suppose you take 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8. That is 3 and 5 are equal position. CH3 and Br. Bromine, methyl, bromine, methyl. Automatically B come first, then M. 3 bromo, 5 methyl, cyclohexanone. 3 bromo, 5 methyl, cyclohexanone. Okay. Suppose you take a bicycle compound. Bicycle compounds, right? Numbering is bridgehead, bridgehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, bicyclo. This is bridgehead. You start numbering from bridgehead. Bicyclo 2, 2, 2. Bicyclo 2, 2, 2. Oct 5 En 2ON. Okay, bicyclo 222 ox 5En bicyclo 2 carbon 2 carbon 2 carbon bicyclo 222 ox 5En 2ON. Similarly, suppose right here you take one bridget 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right, methyl 7 1 7 7, trimethyl 177 trimethyl, bicyclo 221 hept 5En 2ON 5En 2ON, right, 177 trimethyl methyl 177 trimethyl bicyclo 221 hept 5En 2ON, right. Similarly, CHO, that is NO2, that is beer, that is double bond 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here CHO is the principal functional group, CO NO2 Br are prefix. This is oxo bromo nitro. First you take 4 bromo 4 bromo oxo nitro MnO 5 nitro 3 oxo hexanal, okay, 4 bromo 5 nitro 3 oxo hexanal. Okay, I give some questions for practice. Write the IPSC name of the following compounds. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, PS, right, number 5, pair, right? Number 6, CHO, NO2, beer, double bond. Okay.